Get paid to test websites in 2019, and I'm talking about $10 to $40 per test. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in today's video I will show you my top 4 websites that will make you between $10 and $40 per test. These tests can take you anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, so it all depends on how fast you are and how big the test is, of course. So you're going to be making between $10 and $40 per test, and you can test websites, you can test software, different apps, even just checking out videos. So a bunch of different fun stuff, and you can make some extra money online this way. Before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm doing one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will announce the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link will take you to my top recommended resource when it comes to making money online and working from home, and it will make you hundreds of dollars. Number 2 resource is my 5-minute trick that will make you 80 bucks over and over and over again by just copying and pasting something super simple. And the number 3 link is my free gift to you, so go ahead and grab it. Check out the rest of the links as well. And right now let's just jump into the content of this video. Get paid to test websites in 2019, and let me just share my screen with you right here. Alright, so the number 1 site that you can check out is 99tests.com, and this is a software and website testing place where companies go to, and they are looking for testers just like you to test their website and to test their software. Okay, so with a software, all you're gonna have to do is like click the buttons, check if the buttons actually work, if they take you to the page that they are supposed to go, etc. Obviously with a website, very similar thing. And you know, these tests can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. Some tests that are more that will take you more time, you know, they will actually pay you more. So the more complicated the test is, you will actually make more money. So you know, the better for you. And you know, most of them are very simple, so anyone can do this, and from anywhere in the world. And I'm going to show you exactly how. So you know, this is obviously the site for companies, but the tester information is right here in the resources and tester zone. So obviously you're going to have to sign up for an account. When you're going to sign up for an account, don't sign up here. Click on the little button that says click here to join as a tester. So you don't want to sign up as a company, you want to sign up as a tester. And I just found this page showing you exactly what it is all about. So they are rewarding passionate testers. You can join a community of 20,000 plus software testing professionals. You can learn and explore the network, and they have international testers. So it's not only for the US or the UK or Canada or Australia. This is for anywhere in the world. As you can see, they got you know, ladies here in the US, in the Ukraine, in Great Britain. You get diverse testing projects, freedom of choice. You get paid for testing. Obviously, you're gonna get paid depending on the test, but it goes anywhere from $10 to $40, sometimes as high as $60. Okay, as you can see, they got top testers. You know, all these guys are. This guy's probably from India. You know, from all over the world. So again, you can do this from anywhere in the world. How do I get paid? They say payments are based on the complexity of the task and the amount fixed for the testing projects. The final amount for the valid bugs logged by the testers will be paid online via PayPal accounts of the testers. So you are actually being paid in cash and not in like some free giveaways or anything like that. So check out 99tests.com. My number 1 resource, and the number 2 resource is Analasia.com. ANALASIA ysia.com, and again, this is a user experience website. So people have websites and they need to check out how they work, how people actually browse. So you're gonna have to download a little recorder that will record your screen and just start recording and go through a website, and this is the feedback that you're going to be giving to any website owner. Okay, so as you can see, you can test your mobile applications or websites, websites on a desktop, on an iPhone, on Android, on a BlackBerry, on an iPad, all that good stuff. They got some testimonials. You're gonna have to go to analysia.com/user.asp and fill out this user registration. As you can see, they paid $10 for 10 to 15 minutes, so you can easily make $40 to $60 per hour this way. So all you have to do is just share your experience. Record your screen while you're browsing the website. They are interested obviously in where you click, where you go, how you interact with the website, and all that good stuff. So there's no work, you just have to check out the website. Okay, so analysia.com, this is my number 2 website. Number 3 website is actually for apps. So I actually mentioned this website in one of my previous videos. It's featurepoints.com, and you will be rewarded in a bunch of different ways. PayPal is one of them, but you can get Amazon gift cards, Xbox gift cards, as you can see, including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin, and many more. But PayPal is right here, so you can actually get paid in cash. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna make money and earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. So this is more for testing websites and also testing apps. You can earn cashback. They got a bunch of different stores that work with them, like Best Buy, like Walmart. So big companies that are looking for feedback of people just like you, and obviously can make a ton of money testing their websites and apps. Okay, so you're gonna be completing surveys, downloading apps, sharing it with your friends, and earning even more. And that's essentially it. You can check out all my previous videos. I go much more into details about Future Points, but this is my number 3 top recommended resource when it comes to getting paid just for testing websites and apps. Okay, and number 4, we got usertesting.com, and I also already mentioned it, but this is one of the biggest sites when it comes to making money just testing websites. Okay, so as you can see, it says your fastest path to a great customer experience. This is obviously directed towards companies. Okay, so companies again are looking for people just like you to test their website to see what's wrong with it, if the website actually does what it's intent to do. So where you go, where you click, all that stuff. The companies can request a trial, but where you will go is you're gonna click on get paid to test right here, and as you can see, they have a bunch of big big companies that work with them. So Walmart, Facebook, Zillow, CBS, Constant Contact, that's an autoresponder. So big companies are looking for your feedback, and they're looking for you to test their websites and apps and software. Okay, so once you're gonna click on get paid to test, you will go to this site, this page. It says earn up to $60 per test. So you have to visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid. So you can sign up for free. How it works: you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit website or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. So you can watch this 2-minute video right here. Again, Huffington Post, the Wall Street Journal, Life Hacker, the New York Times all reviewed it, and big companies work with user testing. Companies like eBay, Yahoo, Twitter, Microsoft, Dropbox, Evernote, Zendex, Facebook, even Apple. So a bunch of big powerful companies that you're gonna be working for and making 10 to 40, sometimes even $60 per test. So you can make a bunch of money. Now you won't become a millionaire doing this, obviously, but you can make some side money. This is like a side hustle. You can earn some money on the side working maybe an hour a day, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 2 hours, totally up to you. The more tests you do, the more money you make, and obviously you control your own time. So you can do this on the weekends, you can do this in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night, whatever you want to do, it's fine. And you can do as many of these tests as you want or as are available, okay? So guys, that's my top 4. Go ahead and check it out. I hope you're gonna make a bunch of money with this. Let me just remind you again to check out all the links in the description of this video. My top link is my top recommendation for making money online that will make you hundreds of dollars. My second link will reveal my 5-minute hack that you're gonna make $80 with just by copying and pasting something super simple. And the number 3 link is a free gift from myself. So this is a course that I'm actually selling for $17, but you're gonna get it for free. Also follow me on Twitter and all that good stuff. And right now let's see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video, okay? Okay, so this is my last video, passive income ideas for 2019, no work needed. I'm gonna link to it somewhere around here in the card, so you can go ahead and check it out. It's an awesome video as well. Let me just grab the URL and let's copy and paste it into YouTube random comment picker. Let's filter out the duplicates, and let's see, we have 53 comments. So we're gonna start a raffle and pick a random winner right now. Okay, we got Darico Wheatstone, and he left his PayPal email. So let me just copy it and send him the $10. Congratulations on winning. Okay, so as you can see, I just sent $10 to the winner. Again, congratulations. And if you want to win $10 just like this winner just did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment as well, and I will do my best to answer it. And if I'm going to pick your comment, I will answer it for sure. So that's it for right now, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!